Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. I'm excited to get into this reveal of our updated entryway. The finishing details are always my favorite part of our projects because then I can really see my vision start to come together. Bernard painted our new Shiplap ceiling in Cyberspace, which is an HGTV home by Sharon Williams paint color, and you can find it at your local Lowe's. We went with a matte finish. For those wondering how Bernard is always able to get those clean paint lines, he always applies paintable caulk along the tape line. Then he cleans up the excess, paints, and immediately removes the tape after. This trick works every time on our textured walls. On the framed accent wall, I chose Utaupeia, which is another paint color by HGTV Home by Sharon Williams. It added the warmth the space was missing. The last DIY project in our entryway was a floating shelf. Bernard glued 2 pieces of 3/4-inch plywood, clamped them, and left them overnight to dry. The next day he trimmed off the excess using both his table saw and miter saw. To clean up the plywood edges, he glued 3 pieces of pine boards to the front and sides of the shelf. When everything was all dry, he then sanded the shelf and drilled 2 holes to accommodate the brackets. He screwed the brackets into the wall, making sure to hit 2 studs for added structural support. Once the dry fit worked well, Bernard then painted the floating shelf white. He also spray painted a piece of dowel bronze to create a small rail for the shelf. Some additional finishing touches in the space included installing our new ceiling light pendants and replacing our door hardware from brushed nickel to matte black. I've linked all these affordable upgrades in our description box below, including our new hanging wall planters. With the girls' photos finally back where they belong, our entryway makeover was complete. My goal for this project was to create a warm and inviting space that also sets the tone for the rest of our home. It's moody, it's modern, and it's filled with character. All the things I love, and I'm so thrilled Bernard was able to bring my vision to life. I walk into the space all the time now just to admire the details. I'd love to know what's your favorite part of this makeover. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.